What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota key fob. So this Toyota key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to use this key to open this key fob case. If you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this key. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up, but there's a little bit of a lip on the end of this key. And what we're going to do is stick that key in this slot right here. So put the key in there, push it all the way in that slot, and then we're just going to twist it like we're opening a lock. So stick it in that slot, rotate it like this, and as you see, it pops the shell apart. Go ahead and pull the back of the shell off, and now we can see our battery right here. And now you can use your key again to help you get under the edge of this battery and get it out of the battery holder. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Snap that into place, and then make sure that this whole circuit board and everything is seated in here properly. And then snap the back on. Put the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.